welcome to the new blog. Today I'm going to show you Panasonic eyebrow, nose and facial hair trimmer. This face trimmer you can use in the eyebrows, then nose, beard, ear, everything for trimming purposes. That it is a smart washable thing. It is inside this battery we are using, and it is unisex. Both female and man can use it. So no one's assistance is required for this product. We can do by ourselves. That is the main focus on this product, and it is only costing for me 69 dirhams. This product I have already been used from May onwards. So just have a look on the product. Easy to use, pen grip design. That is like a pen it is using. We are using like a pen. It is washable also, everything. Individual items I am showing inside this, what all we can use. So this product is already unboxed by myself, and I have been using this one. From May onwards I have used this one. So I'm just showing you. There is a brush for cleaning. Then this is the product, and on the top it is like cap. And that is the pen grip that which is used for trimming our eyebrows or nose hairs at all. I think so you can see it. I'm focusing on it. You can see it is a small knob. In nowadays in trimmers also it is used. Look, inside that the hairs goes inside, and we can clean that one using the brush. Be careful by closing each part of that trimmer. And it is written also washable, and that is the button which we can pull it up, then we can trim it. It is like, look, this example I'm showing in my hands. The small minute hairs also, it is just removing it. It is cost effective, that's why I'm showing you. And it is battery inside this. It is washable. Everything, it is written on the product itself. Look. One battery is used for this product. Be careful by closing each part, as I told you earlier. If the position is not correct, means it will be getting damaged. This product is Panasonic ERGN. Okay, when you're going for a beauty parlor or something, it may cost you 15 dirhams or about 20-25 dirhams, depends on the place. It varies, and nowadays it is coronavirus and no one can do anything in the parlors or anywhere we cannot go. So this product is cost effective, only 69 dirhams. You can pay one time and just get it for you, and it is lifelong. I don't know how much it will be lifespan. I don't know as per the use it will be. Now I have already purchased two same product for my mom, and for me I have purchased this one. Now they have taken to India, and I don't know how it was going to be working there, but in UAE it is working. So I'm the one who for 4 or 5 times I have used this one. You can do your self grooming if if you have an immediate interview, anything. This corona time, most of them job is lost, so you have interviews, and also you can use this product for trimming your eyebrows, your beards, or whatever. You can do it yourself through. So this small knob can take your hair. Then under the main thing is question is under the age of 18. Please don't use this product, and the parents also beware of that one, because their hairs are getting grown and their hairs are so tiny ones. Please don't use this. Please. And this is only above the age of 20. I'm saying use this. People who are going to beauty parlor and all, and they're going for the work, I'm just showing them only. This is affordable one. Please don't go for the cheaper ones. If you pay once, it should be useful for you. That's the thing. I think this blog is over.